Hello and welcome to QSE Academy. In this video, we will be discussing the importance and requirements of ISO 17025 proficiency testing. For more free resources about the ISO 17025, free templates and training, please check the links in the description box. Proficiency testing is the establishment of the calibration or testing performance of a laboratory. It also refers to an inspection body's testing performance against predetermined criteria using inter-laboratory comparison. Hence, proficiency testing is one of the most dominant ways of checking the validity of the test and/or calibration results. The goals of proficiency testing: to provide laboratories with support and information in improving the quality of their testing and/or measurements. To give laboratories an unbiased method of demonstrating and evaluating the reliability of their data. To add an external evaluation of the testing, calibration capabilities of laboratories. To boost laboratories' internal quality control processes. To guarantee the creation of genuine test calibration data, laboratories may use an appropriate quality management system, QMS. Why proficiency testing matters in ISO 17025. All ISO 17025 accredited testing and calibration laboratories are obliged to take part in proficiency testing programs managed either by ISO 17025 appointed nodal organizations or by ISO 17025 itself. Furthermore, ISO IEC 17025 has set the requirements for a quality systems maintenance in testing and calibration laboratories. Therefore, testing and calibration laboratories use ISO 17025 to develop and implement their QMS. On the other hand, accreditation bodies utilize this standard to gauge testing and calibration laboratories for accreditation. How to fulfill the requirements. ISO 17025 organizes proficiency testing programs for both its accredited and applicant laboratories. The programs are run through nodal laboratories identified by ISO 17025. For example, meeting the APLAC MR001 requirements means all accrediting bodies are required to embark on PT programs for its accredited laboratories. Meanwhile, all applicant laboratories must successfully join at least one inter-laboratory proficiency testing in line with ISO IEC Guide 43I 1996. Having said that, all substitute methods covered in ISO IEC Guide 43 must be satisfactory. But for calibration laboratories, measurement audits should be deemed as a corresponding effort to inter-laboratory proficiency testing. Likewise, technical assessors for calibration laboratories will obtain artifacts with their characterization by National Physical Laboratory or any other NMIs who are signatories to BIPM. What's the next step? Proficiency testing is a powerful way of checking the validity of the test and/or calibration results of your laboratory. Thus, your business must be prepared for this phase. Gain an advantage by using toolkits from QSE Academy. Our packages are designed for laboratories that want to undergo ISO 17025 accreditation. You'll get exclusive access to necessary files and documentation that will help you in developing a QMS. Consequently, undergo proficiency testing for the success of your business.